see magnets everywhere.
Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Today we're out on the production floor. I'm out here with Chad Anglin. Now he's our quality manager and he's also our welding supervisor. And we're standing here in front of the scheduling board, and I'll let Chad take it from here and just give you a high-level explanation of what he does every day at the scheduling board.
So this is our scheduling visualization board for welding department. If you see down here, each one of these represents one cart. One cart is 1 day worth of work for a welder. This right here, each one represents its own individual booth. So what we do when we schedule is as we move a cart into a booth, that magnet goes there so we can see what's being done in that booth that day. In addition, the top half of the cart, top half of the booth is the first shift welder, second is the third shift welder. You'll see all the different color codes on there. That tells us how far they are in their training or development to what they can actually work on based on the color of it.
All right, so that's some good information, and this has worked really well. We've been able to increase our capacity with all the schedules.
We've gone from 155 in April of last year, I believe, to about 205 as of next month.
Well, that's the number of hours that we can put through in a given day in the welding areas here at WireCrafters. So that's what we got this week. Chad, thank you for the information and the update. We'll see you next week on another episode of Mondays with Milt.